Okay children, today lesson is angles. First we have to discuss what is a line segment. So what is a line segment? Actually line segment is a part of a line. Like we cannot draw lines, but we can draw line segments. Suppose this one is a line segment. And we can name this line segment by using two capital letters of the English alphabet like A, B. So we can call this line segment as line AB. Okay. Next thing is, this one is line segment, and the next thing is an angle. Our lesson is based on angles. And then what is an angle? Actually angle is formed when two line segments are meeting at a point. There are two line segments and they are meeting at this point. Therefore, angle is formed. The definition of an angle is when two line segments meet at a point and angle is formed. And the next thing is we have to discuss parts of an angle. Mainly there are three parts. First thing is these two. These two line segments are called as arms. Okay, these two line segments are called as arms of this angle. And this intersecting point, this point is called as the vertex of this angle. So where's the angle? Angle is the space between these two arms. This space, this area is called as the angle. So we discuss what is an angle and the parts of an angle. Very important. This topic is very important. And these two line segments are called as arms, and this intersecting point is called as vertex, and the gap or the space between two arms is called as angle. And the next thing is we have where can we see angles? We can see angles. We can see an angle at the corner of this whiteboard, and we can see some angles on the clock. When we consider this upper hand and the mid hand, we can find an angle between these two hands. And we can see an angle on corner of the table, corner of the cupboard, likewise. Okay, next thing is we have to identify the angles. In here, first case, can you see an angle? Yes, we can see an angle because two line segments are meeting at this point and angle is formed. Therefore, this one is an angle. Can you see an angle in here? Look at very carefully. There is no intersecting point, or there is no vertex. So, there is no an angle. And in here also there is no any vertex. Therefore, this one is not an angle because there is no intersecting point. And in here we can see an angle between these two line segments, these two arms, and there is a vertex. This one is correct. And in here, suppose we have given like this. Yes, this one is actually an angle. This one and this one are arms, and this one is the vertex. Therefore, this one is also an angle. Can you say this one is an angle or not? Actually, we can see more than one angle in this figure. when we consider this line segment and this line segment as arms, an angle is formed. And when we consider this one and this one, another angle also formed. And when we consider this line segment and this one, another angle is formed. Likewise, you have to identify the angles correctly.